Most people, when they get ready to go on Medicare, they don't realize that Medicare doesn't cover any dental at all. It covers very, very, very little vision. Doesn't give you an annual eye exam. And it doesn't cover any hearing. Won't pay for hearing aids. People get really mad how expensive hearing aids are, and they get no help whatsoever from Medicare. I'm letting you know right now that there are other insurance plans that we can sell you. Dental, vision, hearing. Sometimes it's all combined together. Then they cost, depending on where you are in the country and your age, $30 to $40 a month. We're talking all across the country, all different plans. But let us talk to you about where you live and what's available where you live. There are also some Medicare supplement plans that have a little bit of dental vision in them. There are Medicare Advantage plans that have some dental, vision, hearing plans in them as well. So give us a call. Let's see what's available.